You think you understand nuclear fallout. You've probably heard the classic advice 1,000 times: get inside, stay sheltered, wait for the radiation to go down. Simple, clean, reassuring. But here's the problem: almost everyone is relying on a rule they only half understand, and that half understanding is exactly why people make deadly mistakes in the first hours after a blast. The truth is, one survival concept, one that sounds almost too neat and tidy, is the reason people walk outside too early, or take cover in the wrong kind of building, or completely misjudge when the real danger peaks. And if you don't understand how it actually works, you'll think you have more time than you do, or worse, you'll think the danger is gone long before it really is. Most people have at least heard about the idea that radiation quickly decreases after a nuclear explosion. And technically, yes, it does. But quickly is a word that has gotten more humans killed than any weapon ever built. The real rule, the one experts rely on, is called the 7-10 rule. Every time 7 hours pass, fallout radiation drops by a factor of 10. Sounds great, right? Radiation falling fast, exponential decay, nature doing you a favor. But here's the twist: when people hear this, they imagine a smooth, predictable slope, like a phone battery draining. They think, 7 hours. I'll be fine. They miss the part where the radiation in those first few hours is so astronomically high that even dropping by 10 still leaves you in the danger zone. It's like someone saying, don't worry, the wildfire shrinks in size every hour, and forgetting to mention that the entire forest is on fire right now. Most misunderstand this rule because they picture fallout like smoke drifting down. But fallout is not smoke, it's a storm of microscopic, radioactive dust and debris, each particle emitting intense energy as it breaks down. And that means the first 90 minutes after the blast aren't just dangerous, they're the most dangerous moment of the entire timeline. The radiation spike happens fast, high, and savage, and it's the period where people who think they're just checking outside take a permanent timestamp on their fate. If you ever hear a blast, ever see a flash, ever register that something is wrong, your clock starts immediately. The countdown is not 7 hours. The countdown is minutes. Here's the thing nobody tells you: fallout decay isn't your friend until you've survived the front end of the curve. Even trained responders have been caught by this. After major nuclear tests in the 1950s, observers believed the danger would be manageable after only a couple of hours. But fallout plumes didn't care about optimism.